Alright. Got another retail box tonight. This is like box 5 or 6 from that case. Still have yet to pull a pink pulsar. So like I said, I don't know how many are in a case, how many pink pulsars. Hopefully we can find a couple out of this case. I did pull a nice auto last night. I had a silver Peyton Pritchard auto for the Celtics. We were a little shorted on our rookie cards though, so maybe tonight we'll do a little bit better. We didn't pull a rookie silver and didn't pull a rookie ruby wave last night. It was a little frustrating, but this box sits a little bit lower, so I'm gonna point the camera down. Oh yeah, Ronnie, you can jump in anytime. We're just breaking some cards. You don't have to be in any break to watch it or anything. Anyways, we got 8 or 9 people in here, so we'll go ahead and bust it open and start getting the packs out. I still think I got this camera a little too low. Move the box back. This box is always, it's a lot smaller than I expected when I ordered the case. You don't like the picture. It's like the size of your, I don't know if you can see, it's like the size of your hand, but last night our auto come from the right side packs, so I'm not sure what to make of that. I thought they were all left side autos, but I was proved wrong. Can't get my chunky fingers down in there. There we go. Alrighty. Anyways, we got a dozen people in here. I think there's about that many different buyers. So we'll go ahead and get started. Maybe a couple people jump in a little bit late, but that's okay. Good luck to everybody. Hopefully you can find a nice ruby wave, silver rookie, and maybe a pink pulsar if we're lucky. We got Clint Capella. There's a John Morant. Got a Dominance, Bradley Beal, and a Obi Toppin rookie. What is up with that card? Why does it look so different? You see like the white border around his hairline and his body and everything? I'm not sure what that's about. It's like they cropped out the jersey on him or something. They did a really bad job of it. I don't know if that's on every card and I've just never noticed it, but definitely looks weird. Maybe I've just never noticed that. Or the light hit it just right. If you just glance at it, it's like, oh, it's just a rookie card. And it's like, huh. Anyways, moving along. Patty Mills, Jarrett Allen, Emmanuel Quickly, instant impact insert, and a Caleb Martin. I always want to call this a rookie because it's got the border back there. There's the base card. Julius Randle, Marcus Morris Sr. Got a sophomore stars Tyler Hero for the Heat. And Kenyon Martin Jr., rookie for the Rockets. Spencer Dinwiddie, Norman Powell, Onyeka Kongwu, green emergent rookie, And Wendell Carter Jr. base card there. Nice to get a green rookie. Sometimes we get greens and they're just vets. Ish Smith type players. Derek Favors and the like. Uh-oh. Did we get one? Looks pink to me. Anthony Simmons. Malik Beasley. It's not a rookie. Mo Bamba. Pink Pulsar for the Magic. A little bit off-centered top and bottom, but still a cool card. Fortunately, it wasn't a rookie. We got Harry Giles behind it. Those pink Pulsars are bright now. Should be out of 42, I believe it is. Yeah, number 8 of 42. It's nice to see one of them. I said I had a buddy say he pulled 2 or 3 out of a case, so I don't know. I thought they were 1 per case, but there's one so far. Kevin Durant, Furkan Korkmaz, got a David Robinson, Team USA, the Spurs, and Denny Avdia rookie for the Wizards. Dylan Brooks, Damian Lillard, got a Malik Beasley, Ruby Wave, and a Robert Woodard rookie for the Kings. DeAndre Hunter, JJ Redick, another Ruby Wave. This is Furkan Korkmaz for the Sixers. And then Russell Westbrook, still in the Rockets there. It's crazy, they're still stocking this in the stores as like a new release. And there's a lot of players on here on different teams already. Bogdan Bogdanovic, DeAndre Jordan. Oh, we got a Tyrese Maxey silver. Instant Impact, nice looking card there. And Jarrett Culver. Eric Gordon, Kevin Garnett, got a Paul George silver, and a Grant Riller rookie for the Hornets. D'Angelo Russell, Joel Embiid, another silver, Thaddeus Young for the Bulls, and Marc Gasol. Get a couple of these cards covered up here. Like the Ruby Waves, I'm just hoping we can pull a rookie tonight. It'd be nice to see like a Bulls rookie, like a Patrick Williams in a Ruby Wave, but that looked pretty decent. Nikola Vucevic. Well, there's our autos looking like Kings colors. Jameis Ramsey. Sacramento Kings. Hopefully it's a silver auto, not a base. It's just a base this time. Boy, he needs to really work on that. I don't even know what that is. Is that JR number 3 maybe? That is so tiny. Nice pickup for the Kings, but geez Louise, that is a Very small autograph. Zeke Najee, emergent rookie, and Nick Richards, rookie for the Hornets. Getting trolled a little bit by the Hornets rookies tonight. Rudy Gobert, Mike Conley, couple of Jazz guys. Another Kenyon Martin Jr. This time we got a silver. And we got a Alexis Pokusevski, base rookie for the Thunder. Yeah, I don't know. I saw that purple. I was like, oh, he might get a Halliburton auto here. But Jameis Ramsey. I think I pulled Jameis out of a blaster before one time. I know I pulled one of his autos. I don't remember what exactly, but I thought it was a blaster. Man, to each his own. You sign however you want, but that's so small. Such a small auto. Got the old Poku. A lot of people like this kid. I'm not about to say he's skinny and he's going to get bullied, because when I was younger, Kevin Durant was coming to the league, and I was like, man, he's so skinny, there ain't no way he's going to be any good. I think Kevin Durant was benching like 160 when he came in the NBA. Not that it matters, but he's a lanky dude. Still is a lanky dude. DeAndre Bembry, Otto Porter Jr., got a dominance Anthony Davis for the Lakers, and Andre Drummond. What are we missing here? We got a couple of silvers, got a green. Maybe we'll get another ruby wave or two. We already snagged our auto. Kevin Looney, Nikola Jokic, got an Obi Toppin, emergent rookie, and Daniel Toru, base rookie for the Clippers. We got 2 or 3 Knicks rookies already, between inserts and regular base. Donovan Mitchell, Brandon Ingram, got a green Malik Monk for the Hornets, and OG Anunoby. Elfrid Payton, Kyle Lowry, got an instant impact Jameis Wiseman. Oh man, it's got a, like somebody just took their fingernail and rolled it right there. Yeah, it's definitely an indention. Jeez. And a Zach LaVine base behind it. Oh, we can pull a nice Wiseman regular rookie to make up for that. Yusuf Nurkic, Mo Bamba, got an instant impact Malachi Flynn, and CJ McCollum. TJ Warren, DJ Augustine, got a Saban Lee, Ruby Wave rookie for the Pistons, and a Trey Jones rookie for the Spurs. A nice one here. Malik Monk, now a Laker. The Lakers got all types of stuff going on. Dwayne Bacon, Jason Tatum, Kevin Huerter silver for the Hawks, and Rui Hachimura. Chris Middleton, Marvin Bagley. Oh, we got another Ruby Wave. Gary Harris for the Nuggets, and Avery Bradley. Dante DiVincenzo, Tony Snell, Devin Vassell, Emergent Rookie, and Precious Achua, the Miami Heat. Looks like I might have another silver here. Jeremy Lamb, Lonnie Walker. Oh, I got Shaquille O'Neal. That's pretty sweet. There's a few Lakers throwbacks in here. I think Magic Johnson's got a card in here too. And a base Shaquille O'Neal. Last pack. Robert Covington, Maxi Kleba, another silver. Oh, I get the silver Warriors error card. Eric Paschall with the Kevin Looney photo. Interesting. And another Spurs rookie, Devin Vassell. So we got with their base rookies, and one of them's insert. Again, no Anthony Edwards and no LaMelo tonight. We didn't pull either one of them last night either. Didn't pull Halliburton either. We get quite a few silvers, though. I don't remember getting this many silvers before. Alrighty, we'll do a little recap here. We did get a pink pulse tonight, which is kind of cool. See that one in a minute. Obi Toppin rookie, Kenyon Martin Jr. rookie, Onyeka Okongwu green emergent rookie. Mo Bamba was our pink pulsar out of 42. Got a Denny Avdia rookie, Tyrese Maxey silver instant impact, Thaddeus Young silver, Paul George silver, Hurricane Korkmaz ruby wave. Got a Malik Beasley ruby wave, Kenyon Martin Jr. silver, Jameis Ramsey base auto for the Kings, Alexis Pokazevsky rookie for the Thunder. Got a ruby wave Saban Lee rookie. A little fuzzy there. Malik Monk green, silver Eric Paschall Kevin Looney card, silver Shaquille O'Neal, a Gary Harris ruby wave, and a Kevin Huerter silver. We got some other base rookies and base rookie inserts, along with some other just regular inserts. Get those sleeved and top loaded as well. Appreciate you guys jumping in. I don't have any more breaks tonight. I'm sure I have some tomorrow, but if you guys need something, just shoot me a message. I'll get everything shipped out in the morning, and hopefully some of you will get it maybe early next week. Anyways, you guys take it easy. Have a good one, and we'll catch you later.